Studio owners, stick around. This is part 2 of a series on how to start and grow your fitness studio's YouTube channel. Hi everyone, I'm McKenna. I'm the creative manager, and today I'm joined by Jackson again. Jackson, thanks for joining us.
Thanks again.
But before we dive in, I do want to ask you guys, are you tired of getting leads but not converting them? Maybe you're having a staffing issue and maybe it seems like every 6 months a new staff member quits on you. Well, if that's the case, we get it. We have studio owners who have dealt with this in the past, but here at Loud Rumor, we specialize in helping studio owners overcome those challenges, plus a lot more. And if you're interested in learning more about Loud Rumor and our services, go ahead and click the link in the description below. We'll set up a free strategy call and you can learn more about us and we can learn more about you. So go ahead and click that link in the description below. All right, now let's dive into it. Jackson, where are we starting? This is level 0, logged into my YouTube account. What are we doing?
After login information, we need to come up with a name. So let's say you are ABC Fitness and you have a location. Let's say you're a franchise and there's multiple locations across the world. You want to say ABC Fitness Scottsdale. That could be the name of your YouTube channel. Yeah,
and I know specific franchises, they get like super hyper specific. So it's like ABC Fitness Scottsdale West or something like that. Great, easy, very easy start there. What's
step one? Got the name down.
Got the name down. Check. What's next?
So after you get your name, after you are brand specific, location specific, then you want to choose a picture. Let's say ABC Fitness has a logo. You can use that as an icon so that could be your identifier on YouTube that your people can recognize.
Yeah, you want to make sure to use the icon and not the full logo. So if you think brands like Orange Theory, they use their splat icon rather than showing Orange Theory Fitness, you know, Scottsdale West, whatever.
Yep, and assume that your viewer is going to be looking on a phone too. So
oh, that's true.
Just make sure that icon is very recognizable across multiple platforms.
What other images are included in a channel?
In addition to the icon that you'll be using for your identifier, you're gonna have a banner on your channel, just like a website would have a banner.
Yeah, or like your cover photo on Facebook, things like that.
Yeah, with the cover banner, this is also a good opportunity to showcase what your studio looks like. And if you want to get fancy with it, you can even make a collage. Maybe you can have some of your members over in one section of the banner and maybe barbells in another section of the banner or dumbbells in another section of a banner.
Yeah, and if you don't have those skills, actually we are including a free cheat sheet. Actually, I really like this specific one because YouTube is very particular about their cover photos. It is a one size, like you have to upload one image, but that one image fits for desktop, which is big, mobile, which is tiny. Yeah. And so there's a variety of different ways that you have to make sure that this one image fits for all screens, which is really difficult to do. So definitely take a look, download that link in the description below. You don't want to miss this. It's
the formatting of the channel.
Exactly.
So after you have your channel, you need to put your first video up. This is a great opportunity to have an intro video where it introduces what your brand is, who your people are, and what your mission and purpose is.
Yeah, it's definitely important too to also include some credibility. So like, you know, what you've done to help people. And so also that entails, you know, why should people watch your videos? Like what's gonna keep them hanging? Maybe you helped over 500 members lose a total of X amount of weight or things like that. Including those pieces for people to actually want to continue to watch your videos.
So after you've created that intro video, now it's time to create the content. This could be like, you know, how to use proper technique when exercising, when lifting. This could be nutritional advice, testimonials, which is really good, group exercises, maybe highlights of that, what that person is going to get if they choose to use your facility.
Yeah, think about all the questions that your members come and ask you guys. So like, okay, should I eat before, you know, I work out? What should I eat before I work out? And phrasing those as your headlines are gonna get a lot of traction because that's what people are searching on the internet.
Right.
How to do a proper squat or
good carbs, bad carbs.
Good carb, yeah, what's the best carb to eat, or like sweet potatoes versus white rice, which one's better? Things like that I know I've asked before.
Not to eat late night.
Yeah, should I eat before bed?
Yeah.
Will I do it anyways? Yes. Anyways, thinking of those types of questions are really great opportunities for you guys to do those like educational videos. And then you were also mentioning like highlighting videos, testimonials obviously are great, which add to your credibility for sure.
Also make sure you speak into your audience. So it's college students, maybe you could target how to make healthy recipes in the dorm room, or how to make quick recipes on the go, meal prep, that sort of thing.
I do have a question for you too. Now, as you know, studio owners start to like build up the catalog of videos, and maybe say like a year down the road they don't align with you know, a certain video maybe doesn't serve their brand anymore. Should those studio owners delete the video, or what's your best what's the best scenario in that?
Let's say you had an older video which doesn't align with what your content is now. You can unlist that video, and instead of deleting it, you can keep all of your metrics, all of your views from that video. But if you unlist it, then no one, you know, going forward will be able to see that video.
Yeah, that's a good point. And in another video, another part of the series, we're actually going to go into metrics, which ones are important to actually grow your studio. But definitely good point there. Unlisted, don't delete it, because then you lose all those metrics, and we want metrics. So if you want more videos and content like this, go ahead and comment more like this. Simple as that, more like this. And we'll know that you like it, and we'll add some more content like this. Awesome, Jackson, thank you so much for joining us. And if you like this video, guys, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one.